In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a shareable board in monday.com. First, log into your monday.com account and go to your workspace dashboard. Next, click the plus button in the left sidebar and select New Board from the menu. Enter a name for your board that clearly describes its purpose. When choosing the board type, select Shareable Board. This option allows you to collaborate with external users such as clients, vendors, or stakeholders. After selecting the board type, click Create Board. Once your board is created, add any groups, tasks, columns, or information you want to share. To invite others, click the Invite button in the top right corner of the board. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with and send the invitations. Review the permissions to ensure guests have the appropriate level of access to the board. After they accept the invitation, they'll be able to view and collaborate on the board according to the permissions you've assigned. That's it. You've successfully created a shareable board in monday.com. Thanks for watching.